This topic is near and dear to my heart, and it's this: a dedicated space for having your sewing machine to tailor your own clothes. Because I get it, not having your own space to do this sucks. You don't have a sewing room, nor do you even have a desk to put your sewing machine on, so it's like, what do you do? Trust me, I know, I've been there. I didn't even have a house when I started doing this. I had to sew my clothes on a stool at my girlfriend's house. But let me tell you, not having a dedicated room or not having a desk really should not stop you from just being creative and finding a way to make your clothes fit you spectacularly. So let's dive a little bit further into that and talk about why you don't need a dedicated space for this. Now, to start, yes, finding a nice solid spot for you to put your sewing machine in your house, yeah, that's a given, that's a good idea. But most people are really apprehensive to try this as it is, so they'll use any excuse possible to just never start. So they're like, not only do I not have a sewing machine, I don't even have anywhere to put it. Like, what am I gonna do? Put it on the floor? Yeah, that works. It's not perfect, but it works. Really find any stable surface in your house to make sure that your stitches come out nice. Like I said, I sat my sewing machine on a stool and then I sat on a utility ladder while I used it. I didn't have my own house. I had bounced between my mom's house and my girlfriend's house. And around that same time is when I discovered all of this, and it completely changed my life so much that I was like, oh my gosh, I need to share this with everybody. What I just figured out and what I just accomplished is something that I didn't think that I could, and I did, and everybody else can too. I need to do this right now. So I made do with what I had. Man, one of my most popular tutorials that I've made on my channel was made on that stool. It was how to tailor a hoodie. And while the idea of the video was right, the production quality, mid, bro. I think that's right. I don't know. That stool has worn a lot of hats in our household. I use it to change light bulbs and reach high up objects that I can't really get to. And right now it's holding up my TV in my office. I'm not kidding. But the point is, you don't need a dedicated sewing room, nor do you even need a desk to get started. Use multi-purpose furniture or use a coffee table, a kitchen counter, and like we said, the floor. Just make sure that it's clean, like you gotta vacuum up the dog hair first. And with the floor, what a lot of people don't realize is that you have a whole lot more space to work with, so it's actually kind of nice. You can kind of maneuver around your garment instead of, conforming it to the small table that you're working on. Comes in handy with pants especially. Plus, starting simple like that helps you just focus on the fundamentals and getting the skills down, as opposed to having, the perfect setup or the right setup or the most expensive setup. You're gonna mess things up and you're gonna screw things up. That's part of the process. But you can focus on just fixing those mistakes. Keep all of your sewing essentials in a nice portable box. You'll adapt and you'll just figure things out on the fly. And this adaptability is gonna serve you really well when you dive into a lot of other projects in the future. Don't get discouraged by your setup. Just focus on your project. And you, my friend, you are gonna see some amazing results. That's all I got for you. SD out. Deuces.